And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property that is hidden at the moment behind the bush. I'll come and show you this. What I'm going to do first of all, just give you a look around the area, and I need to apologise as well. There is roadworks going on outside, so sorry if there are loud noises, anything like that. So this is a live video, so do feel free to ask me any questions about the property in front of me. And I'm in Spencerswood at Askew Drive. So what I have today is a 4-bed detached family home in need of modernisation. I'm just going to open up the garage. So it's a good single garage at the moment. Just standing back to give you an idea on the inside of the property and how that looks. And you can see in here, so this is where the meters are and the electrics all up in here. There is power. There's your boiler. Now the boiler is currently off because the property is empty. So it is a probate property, so unfortunately the owner has passed away. But let's head on in. So we've got this lovely driveway, lovely drive and entrance. And I've opened up the front door already for us, so come on in, and it should get a whole lot quieter once I shut the door. So from the entranceway here, the front door, to your side is the downstairs WC, all in here. So as I've said already, this property does require modernisation, some work in the property, but would then be a fantastic family home. So personally, I love this parquet flooring, and just coming through the entrance hall into your kitchen breakfast area. Good sized kitchen with nice big windows, nice big window there, letting lots of light in. You also have a back door there, which I will show you the back garden in a moment. And then standing back in the corner, we've got room here. So years ago there used to be a doorway going through into your dining area. They've boxed it all off and put a serving hatch in instead, but you would soon be able to reopen that back up. So currently fridge, freezer and a chest freezer is in this corner here, but I can see sort of a small leaf table, something like that there. Kitchen, lots of storage cupboards and things like that, but as I said, it would be as part of the refurbishment project. And this is what I love with this property. It is an open book, so there is so much that you could do to it, which is fantastic. There's your Harry Potter cupboard. Lots of space under there with electrics, and then through to your reception area. So this is your living room diner, and again just standing in the corner to give you an idea of the space, but it's a really good size, nice and wide, and as I've said, you could open back up the kitchen way here. This is all a false wall, and you can actually see on here where the door used to be. So where the cracking is here, and the cracking is it's not subsidence, it's not movement, it is a settlement crack. The current sellers do have or have had it reported as well. So moving around to the other side here, so the furniture will be going, but there is gas central heating, but this really big space in the home, lovely big windows. And then I'm going to head outside, and again apologies about the noise, but the garden is actually a really good size. Don't know if you can see, but down the end you can just about see where the back fence is. I'm taking you down this side, so there's a really big space here. Put a side gate on if you wanted that one, and then coming around the other side, you've got your access way back round to the front. I'm not going to head down there because of the noise, the roadworks that are going on. I will admit that we weren't aware that this was happening today, so I do apologise. Looking back at the property from the garden, you get a sense of how it looks, but it's a really good plot, nice big size. Next door have put a conservatory on the rear, and you would have more than enough space to do so as well. This would be this family home really needs to be made back into another family property, and to really fully enjoy it. So we're going to head upstairs now. It's all wood flooring, so most of the carpet has been taken up in here, so my voice is likely to be a bit echoey and a bit noisy as I walk through. So we're now into one of the larger bedrooms. So this one here, good sized double. Again, it's got a really big double window. Question in here about the windows. So the windows to the front are double glazed, done in about 2004, we believe. But the windows on the rear of the property, you can see here, are single glazed. But yeah, nice comfortable space. I'll show you one of the front bedrooms. Sorry, having a bit of... There we are. Gimbal's being a wee bit funny. Right, so this is one of the front windows. So here you can see the double glazed window, and you can try and zoom in. So there's a date on there of 2004, which would indicate when they were done. So this here, one of the other double bedrooms, and there's a recess in the corner here for your wardrobe. In there. And again, out the side here, there's out the front, you have quiet road coming up. It is a shared driveway coming in. It's just you and your next door neighbour that share it. And on the other side over there is a walkway which is used by dog walkers and things like that. So apart from that, it's a really quiet area in Spencer's Wood. Show you the bathroom, and again, there's no getting away from it. The bathroom does need some work, but it's a really good, and I know I keep repeating myself, but it's a lovely space, good size for it all. There isn't an extractor fan, but there is the window. Structurally, I think that you'll find this property is sound as a pound. It is just decorative work that's required. So this is bedroom 4. So this is the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. Has this lovely bright orange carpet, but there's space here for a wardrobe, and then you would still be able to get single bed, double bed, that sort of thing in. Maybe some bunk beds for kids. Just trying to give you a view out the back to give you an idea of the size of the garden as well. Would need to be trimmed back an awful lot to make it a more usable space. And now heading into the 4th bedroom. So this one here, probably the main bedroom, based on the fact that we have space here for the built-in wardrobes, and we also have space here. So these, so this here, you've got hanging space underneath, which I suppose would act as a wardrobe area, but you could soon get something fitted in on there. So we've called this the main bedroom on the floor plan, based on the fact it has more room for storage than the others. And there we go. Sorry, some technical issues with the gimbal having a mind of its own. Right, so back out into the hallway, so into the landing area. And just here is your airing cupboard. Pour it all on here, just giving you an idea. There is also an attic. Oh. The attic itself, not sure if it's, we don't believe it's boarded. There isn't a ladder. There's a strip that is boarded, but you would need to do the rest if you were to go up into it. It certainly has a good amount of space for your storage. And I hate to say it, but that's about it for the property. I think you'll agree the potential in here is fantastic, and it would make someone a very pleasant family home again. And what the vendors are looking for is someone who will take it on and appreciate what they have here. They are aware that it is a project. There is a lot of work that needs doing, but we're looking for those people that aren't afraid of that sort of thing. The property, is it habitable at the moment? In theory, yes. The person that was living here was living here right up towards the end. You do have a cooker and oven and hob and things like that. You could potentially move in and then do the work as you're going on. As long as you have an open mind, then yes, everything is. There's running water. There is running water in the property. The electric should all work. You would just need to get a gas engineer to turn the boiler back on. So yes, you could potentially reside in it while doing the work, as long as you're aware of the level of work needed. What I would recommend definitely is a private viewing, so you guys can fully appreciate what this home has. So before I head back out, and say goodbye, I'll just ask if there's any other questions. Feel free to get in touch if there is any questions, any queries. If you would like to put a request for a private viewing, please do so, and I'll be in touch very soon. I want to thank you all for watching, and who knows, I might see you at the next property. All the best, guys. I will be in touch. Bye bye.